I'm going to guide you through the updated home buying process. Due to recent changes by the National Association of Realtors, the way buyers engage with real estate professionals and complete transactions has evolved. Today I'll walk you through these changes so you can feel confident and prepared to move forward. Let's break down the major changes you need to know about. Under the new rules, buyer's agents are required to disclose their compensation structure up front. This means you'll know exactly how your agent is being compensated and whether their fees will be paid by the seller, you as the buyer, or a combination of both. This transparency ensures that everyone is on the same page from the start. While buyer's agents' agreements have always been an option, they're now more common due to the shift in compensation practices. These agreements outline the services your agent will provide and how they will be compensated. Signing one clarifies your relationship and protects your interests throughout the process. Buyer's agents are required to disclose their compensation structure up front. This means you'll know exactly how your agent is being compensated and whether their fees will be paid by the seller, you as the buyer, or a combination of both. This transparency ensures that everyone is on the same page from the start. Listings in the multiple listing service do not include detailed information about agent compensation now. This requires agents to understand the compensation to be offered by the seller prior to showing the property, so you can be informed as to what the seller is offering the buyer's agent in compensation. Let's talk about how these changes directly affect you as a buyer. Expect upfront communication about services and fees. Factor agent fees into your budget planning. Benefit from stronger representation through formal agreements. Here's your roadmap for navigating the updated process. Number 1, initial consultation. Schedule a meeting with your agent to discuss your needs, budget, and the current market. Use this time to review the buyer's agent agreement and clarify any questions. Number 2, financial preparation. Work with your lender to understand your financing options and ensure your budget accounts for potential agent fees. Number 3, property search and tours. Leverage your agent's expertise to find properties that meet your criteria. Number 4, making an offer. When you find the right property, your agent will guide you through crafting a competitive offer, negotiating terms, always prioritizing your best interests. Number 5, closing the deal. From the inspections to the final paperwork, your agent will help coordinate each step to ensure a smooth transaction. These changes are designed to bring greater transparency and fairness to the home buying process. While there may be a learning curve, rest assured that's our goal to make this experience as seamless and as stress-free as possible for you. If you have any questions or need clarification about the updated process, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for trusting us with your home buying journey. Let's get started on finding your dream home.